You're about to find out the key levels that we're looking at on Mullen, ticker MULN. Now, don't forget this stock is down at 16 cents, and I want to say this in advance. Firstly, I have no position in this stock, nor will I have one. So just put that disclaimer out there. Secondly, if this is something you're bag holding, again, please try and manage your risk when you can, because this is a stock we've covered it even when it was back at $3-4, and we just basically said we would not be touching it at all. And the reason I say that is this stock, we saw it fall 95%. What do? They do a reverse stock split. And even before that reverse stock split, when you see a stock go down 90%, it's not something you should think, oh, it's down 90%, it's now got to go up. Because don't forget, that's massive gains if it was to go back to where it previously was. But the reason there is those massive gains is because the likelihood probably isn't all that much. And especially on a stock like this, it is pretty weak. Now I'm starting to see a lot of people who have been holding this calling the company a scam. So again, if you are bag holding it, just please get out when you can. And if you are opening a new position in this, just want to say, if you are risking money, only throw in what you can afford to lose, because again, the chances are if you're long bias on this, you'll probably lose all your money. And again, not to say that from a trading perspective, but if you're holding it more than a week or so, just be prepared. Now though, to go over the key levels real quick, so we have basically one set of key levels, and that is going to be the deviational levels. So this is $3.04 and $4.30. Now these are the only times I would actually be looking at the stock. These were if you were long potential targets, but that's not saying we expect the stock to go here, because really we don't. But it's more if this stock did squeeze for any reason, that would be our target. That's where we would look in profits if we were long, not to say we should be. But this is really where I would start looking at it short bias. They do have options, so that's exactly how I would play it. And look to short either the move to the 305, and if we get a move to the 430s as well, looking to short that. And the reason I would only look to short it is, again, it's a fundamentally weak company. All it does is sell off. It's down probably 95% on the year. You zoom out even further, it's just selling off. It's not something I want to be holding long bias. I want to be shorting it, like the 6 month, the 1 year, and probably even if you go out further, the trend. And again, if we can play it through the options, we can define the risk. We can buy outright puts or play vertical spreads. We don't even need to touch the shares. We can define the risk. And again, the majority of the time, it's going to continue in the trend it's already going, because again, it's basically a worthless company. So that is the breakdown of Mullen. Again, I wouldn't be trying to catch this long bias. Again, if you're bag holding, I don't really have an answer for you. It's whenever you're ready to take your losses, really. Unlikely that we're even going to get a pop to $3, but if we did, again, that's where I'm looking at it short bias. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.